Hi everyone! In this video we put together some advice from Ashcan Studio Portfolio Prep students who have successfully applied to the top art schools in the country.
The advice that I have is try and find ideas that relate to you, and don't try and imitate other people's ideas, and really focus on things that you like. Paint things, well, not just paint, but all your work should be a representation of you. So don't just do something because someone told you to do it and you're not really enjoying it, because work that you enjoyed making is always going to look better. So I think that's a little bit of advice.
I think it's important to make sure you're happy with everything you're doing, and the greatest thing I've been told so far is that you're your own favorite artist. So if you don't believe in yourself, it'll be hard for other people to believe in you.
I guess I just think about what I want it to look like in the end, and realize that where I'm at right now is very early, so I still have a lot of time to develop what I'm working on.
I kind of just accept it and realize that every time I look at it I'm in a different mood, and so when I'm looking at it one day it could look better than the next or before, and so I kind of just settle on it.
Manage your time, because I didn't do that. I guess honestly, schools want to see probably a lot of technical works, but they also want to see yourself. So try to find a way to blend the two, because honestly, you could draw 500 pictures of a fruit on a table, and you would probably not get in, even though if they were really good fruits on a table, because they're just fruits on a table. So apply yourself, put yourself into your art rather than just kind of draw what you think other people want you to draw.
I would say time management is probably the most important thing. But also, I feel like instead of thinking I have to make this perfect piece or portfolio, it has to be it has to show every skill I know in one piece. I feel like that's a bad way to start approaching it, because that's how I did, and I ended up just not making anything because I was like, oh, this wouldn't be good enough for a portfolio. I feel like it's more important to just make a lot, so that you not only get that you not only improve from experience and actually doing stuff, but you'll have more of a choice, because when it's time to apply, you'll find that time flies really fast, and you probably won't have enough pieces. So just having a lot of artwork done would be best in case you run out of time. So don't be scared to start something because you don't think it will be good enough. I feel like it's more important just to do stuff.
Yeah! You can edit that part out.
Think about the end picture. That's really understandable.
And I say just don't get caught up on the little things, because if you do that, then you'll just get slower and start overthinking.
Ashcan's portfolio prep classes are a great place to start. We have online classes now, so no matter where you are, you can develop your skills and ideas with the guidance of our outstanding teachers and programs.